Sick. Not feeling well or having an illness. He stayed home because he is sick. Mom gave me soup because I'm sick. Absent. Not present. He was absent from school today. Two students were absent from class. Butcher. A person who cuts and sells meat. The butcher sells fresh meat. The butcher cuts the meat with a big knife. Stairs. Steps that help you go up or down between different floors in a building. I walked up the stairs. We cleaned the stairs today. Rubbish. Waste or trash. Throw the rubbish in the bin. He cleaned up the rubbish from the park. Amusing. Something that is funny. The movie was very amusing. I read an amusing story today. Giant. Something or someone very big. A giant tree stood in the garden. The cake was giant and tasty. Concentrate. To pay full attention to something. Please concentrate on your work. She concentrated on reading the book. Inquiry. A question or the act of asking for information. I made an inquiry about the train time. The teacher answered my inquiry. Culture. The way people live, including their language, food, music, clothes, and traditions. Every country has its own culture. I want to explore the culture of Japan.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!